वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स,
होप आप सब अच्छे हैं और अपना अच्छी तरीके से ख्याल भी रख रहे हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर आई एम एक्चुअली हियर वी आर with another set of some general knowledge questions we are sharing with you people. Actually ये this will be my fourth video on this general knowledge questions. ओके सो फ्रेंड्स, लाइक आपको भली भांति पता है कि ये जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस जो है ये मैं आपसे क्यों शेयर कर रही हूँ, राइट? लाइक अनदर मैं कुकिंग रेसिपीज एंड ऑल माय चैनल विल बी including it will be like departmental store types of everything you will get under one roof, है ना? So this is something like मैं ये basics to basics question फिलहाल मैं include करूँगी and then जैसे जैसे like level जो बढ़ता जाएगा questions and answers का, this will go on increasing on my each videos slowly because ये जो है मुझे children से लेके adults तक का cover करना है. So however like I am able to cater the knowledge, I am able to like furnish my knowledge as well with this, with the help of this. So this will help you people also, and that why am I sharing all this, right? Because this is like gonna help you in any kind of competitive exams or in any kind of like you won't believe it. Today morning only what happened, I was like setting up this I was doing some work, I was thinking about it, then suddenly I asked him, Tanish, come here. I asked him, Tanish, one questions I asked him, that question also I have included in this book. I will tell you which question was that. Okay, so I asked him, he was like, he told me the answer, but he jumbled up. Okay, he did not tell me the exact answer, but it was like closer to somewhat. So this is what, and this he has studied in which standard? He has studied like much prior, like first or second standard. Yeah, before that also maybe in this KG or senior KG mein. So what happens? The time flows and our brain this also flies off. So it's better to like every time we keep reminding, we keep revising these sort of questions. This will actually help us. We never know in any mode of our life. Correct? So let's start off with it now. Let's start off with our general knowledge questions with the answers. Okay? So here we go. The first question is, who was the first Prime Minister of our India? Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Who was the first Prime Minister, woman Prime Minister of India? So who was it? Think.
Indira Gandhi.
Yes, it was Indira Gandhi. Okay, so the first woman Prime Minister of our India was Indira Gandhi. Okay, so we go to the next question. Who was the first women Chief Minister of India? Question again, who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? It was Sucheta Kriplani. Okay, it was Sucheta Kriplani. So if you have some book or pencil or something like that, you can just jot it down. Okay. We go to the next question. Which is the largest state in India? Which is the largest state in India? That is
Rajasthan.
Yes, that is Rajasthan. Okay. Now we go to the next question. Which is the smallest state in India? The largest is Rajasthan. Which is the smallest? We really love to go that place. Most probably in the not in summer vacation time. Okay. Goa. I love that place. So that is the smallest state in India. Okay, that is Goa. Okay, we go to the next question. How many letters are there in Hindi alphabet? How many letters are there in the Hindi alphabet? There are total of 52 letters. 52 letters. Okay, so then 52 letters mein, okay, 39 are consonants. 39 are the consonants. Consonants are the ones, those are K, K, G, G, D, those are the consonants. And 13 are the vowels. 13 are the vowels. That is A, A, E, E, U, A, I, O, O, Okay. So that is our vowels. So total is 52. 39 consonants and 13 is the vowel. So 52 letters. 52 we have letters in our Hindi alphabet. Okay. Now we go to the next question. How many spokes are there in national flag of India? How many spokes are there in the national flag of India? There are
24 spokes.
There are 24 spokes. Okay. We go to the next question. What is our national song? It's very simple, no? What is our national song? That is Vande Mataram. Okay. Our national song of India is Vande Mataram. And who has written that song? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He has written this Vande Mataram song in Sanskrit. Okay, so he has written this song. So we go to the next question. That is, what is the national flower of India? Which is the national flower of our India? National flower. Ye to we should know, huh? This is
Lotus.
lotus. Okay. Now the next question. What is the main source of energy for Earth? What is the main source of energy for the Earth? That is
Sun.
sun. Okay. That is sun. We go to the next question. Which is the highest mountain in India? Listen my question properly. Which is the highest mountain in India? Think. That is Kanchenjunga. Okay. That is located at the border of Nepal and Sikkim. It is located in the border of the Nepal and Sikkim. Now we go to the next question. What does www stands for in computer terms? In computer language, what does www stands for? Think. It's a very simple answer. It is World Wide Web. Okay? It is World Wide Web. So the full form, the next question we go to is, the full form of URL is, we know what is URL? That's an address which we type on our Google or Chrome on the address bar. If you want to search anything, we need to go there and put that URL address. So what is that URL? Full form. That is Uniform Resource Locator. Okay? Uniform Resource Locator. Okay? So this is the full form of URL. We go to the next question. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Earlier I told you about Hindi alphabet. This is about English alphabet. So how many letters are there in English alphabet? Very simple, no? Don't start counting. It is 26. Okay? This is simple. 26. 26 letters are there in our English alphabet. Vowels we know, and the rest are consonants. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels. 5 vowels, and the rest are all our consonants. Okay, so that means 21 consonants. Okay, this will be our next question. Okay, how many letters are there in English alphabet? We came to know that is 26. Okay, and how many consonants are there in our English alphabet? 21. 21 and 5 are our vowels. So that is equals to 26. Okay, simple. Now we go to the next question. Which shape has 5 sides? Which shape has 5 sides? That is pentagon. Okay. Now what is the now we go to the next question. How many zeros are there in 100,000? How many zeros are there in 100,000? 5. 1 0 0 comma 0 0 0. So 100,000. So we have total 5 zeros. Okay. Now we go to the next question. That is, how many months of the year have 31 days? How many months of the year has 31 days? The answer will be
7 days.
7. Okay, those are 7 months. Those are 7 months. So how many months of the year have 31 days? Those are 7 months. So which months are they? They are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. Okay, so these are the 7 months which has 31 days. We go to the next question. Now this is the question which I asked him in the morning, which I said earlier. That is, how many bones does an adult human have? How many bones do we have in our body total? Now you know?
Yes, it's 206.
Yes. So it is 206 bones we have in our body. Now we go to the next question. Which one is the oldest High Court of India? Which one is the oldest High Court of India? That is
Calcutta.
Calcutta High Court. Okay, that is Calcutta High Court, which was established on 1st July in 1862. Okay, which was established in 1st of July 1862. We go to the next question. Free and compulsory education to all children from 6 to 14 years age was made a fundamental right by which amendments? By which amendment? It was 86th amendment. 86th amendment. Okay. We go to the next question. What is the minimum stay essential before a person can apply for Indian citizenship? That is
7 years.
7 years. Okay, so now we know. So these were some questions which we revised today. So now we know what sort of questions. So next video I will come with another set of some questions with little one step up of these basics to basics. So on every videos of my general knowledge question I will go on increasing the level of the questions. Okay, so you stay tuned, मिलते रहिए एंड मेरी जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस हो या कोई भी वीडियोस हो आप उसे शुरू से लेके एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए एंड फिर एंड में आप उसे एक लाइक का बटन दबा दीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए. ओके फाइन. सो मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए
बाय
बाय. टेक केयर.